Red Dragon K617 Fizz Review. Opinion at the end of the video. Looped original red switches. Some LED colors. F-in button plus spacebar, then press any button. The LED lights don't flicker like that in real life, only on camera. Some different light modes. Sound test with mods. It's not entirely accurate, it sounds different on camera. I recommend this keyboard if it's your first ever mechanical keyboard. Rubber feet. Overall, it's a really good 60% keyboard for its price. I got mine off of AliExpress for only $40 United States dollars.